One morning I was sitting there drinking coffee and that commercial come on and I thought, you know, I think I'm gonna call those people.
They called back and said, we'd love to do it.
The amount of time and the effort that they put into it to make my place better is amazing.
For 25 years, Oklahoma's oil and natural gas producers and royalty owners have been voluntarily cleaning up abandoned well sites.
They sent in a crew, and in 10 days, they had it cleaned up, paid for by, not me, but the oil and gas industry.
I couldn't believe that someone was as interested in cleaning up my daddy's land as I was, free of charge.
We couldn't be more satisfied with it.
You know, we're doing a good thing. We're doing a good thing.
For today, for generations down the line, the mission continues.